Guys, good morning. Yesterday I went to Lowe's and I bought some things, and these is one of the things I picked up. It's some salvia. It was on clearance for $1. It looked really bad, like this, as you can see. They all looked like, this wasn't even sitting up. It was just like laid down. They were all just like laying over. And my daughter was like, "Oh, can I get this?" And try to bring it back. And I'm like, "Yeah, go ahead." I think it was like $2, $2 or something. So we got it. We watered it in yesterday really well. I brought it out, set it here on this pot in the sun, because it was like a lot of sun right here. Set it here in the sun, and this morning this is what it's looking like. So I think she'll be pretty happy when she gets up. I'll let her plant them wherever she would like to put them. Yeah, so something quick I wanted to show you guys. It was really bad. Like, all of these were just laid down flat. All the leaves were like withered up, but I figured it was some kind of hope, because this one over here, the leaves were so bad on it. They were just like a little dry. You could tell it just needed water. So that's the thing about the clearance section, because sometimes it just needs water and some sun. Just water and sun. Even with houseplants, just water. So yeah, that's it. I'll bring you guys back when when she decides she wants to plant them. So when she wake up, I'll let her know. And when she decides to plant them, I'll update you guys. And if you guys want to see that, excuse me, I need coffee this morning. I haven't had my coffee yet. And let you guys see. Bye.